Barbecue chicken quinoa salad is one of the most popular recipes on What's Gotta Be Cooking, and I think it might be because it's embarrassingly easy, but it's so good and it's perfect to make ahead. Take it for work all week long. You guys are gonna love this one. Okay, so to start, I just boiled off some quinoa. It's a 2-to-1 ratio, 2 parts water to 1 part quinoa. And then after it's cooked, you just wanna give it a little bit of a fluff with your fork. So we've got some fluffy quinoa, that's part number 1. I'm just going to dump that into a big mixing bowl. To that, we're just going to add some corn. You can use raw corn if it's summertime. You can use charred corn, which I just got at the frozen section of Trader Joe's. That actually has so much flavor. Pop that into the quinoa. Then we're gonna add those canned black beans. You could also use red beans, whatever beans you kind of have on hand. And all of this just gets a toss, and this is gonna be our base. Then I have a store-bought rotisserie chicken that I just got from Whole Foods, nothing crazy. And I'm gonna shred up the 2 chicken breasts on it. So just kind of peel off the skin, and then we're just gonna take our fingers and kind of pull the chicken apart and just shred it up, like you guys know how to shred chicken. And that'll just go right into the bowl of quinoa. All right, so we'll just take a couple big spoonfuls and put at the bottom of our bowl. This is gonna be so good. All right, and then this gets all sorts of toppings. So we're just gonna quickly slice up some scallion. And then we'll pick off some cilantro leaves also. This has already been rinsed, so I can just pick off the leaves and put them aside. And then we need cheese, avocado, and barbecue sauce. So we'll just go ahead and shred the cheese directly over the bowl. This is just a white cheddar. You could use an orange cheddar, you could use Colby Jack, you could use Monterey Jack, pepper jack would be amazing. I like cheese, so I'm just gonna keep going. And then on top of this, we will drizzle a little bit of barbecue sauce. And then we'll top it with the scallions. And we'll just throw the cilantro right on top, and then we'll just have an avocado. I mean, you could put the whole avocado on too. I won't judge you. But for today, we're just gonna do half an avocado, cut it in half, and then I'm just peeling this off so it's gonna stay really pretty. And then I'm just gonna give these like a really thin slice so I can fan it out like this on top. We'll just throw that right on there. Ta-da! Like barbecue chicken bowl, total perfection. You guys are gonna love this recipe, and if you make extra, you can have it for dinner. You can get the full recipe on whatsgottabeCooking.com, and I can guarantee you, you guys are going to love it.